friends, welcome to my video. Today I'm gonna make a cupcake. If you've seen my last video, I've done a chocolate cake, and today I'm gonna do a cupcake. And these are the ingredients. You'll need 3 eggs, 1 cup of milk, 1.5 or 1/3 of vegetable oil, and a cake mix. Today I'm using a French vanilla cake mix, and you also need frosting, and you'll need a real whisk and a bowl. So I'm gonna add the cake mix. I'm gonna break the second one. As you can see, I washed my hands because the white of the eggs got all over my hands. Oh my god. Also this time I had trouble breaking the eggs, and my dad helped me with the 3rd egg. So next time I'll try my best. So I need to add the milk now. I poured the milk. Now the vegetable oil. Yeah, it's done. Okay, now I need to open the bag for the cake mix. This is us. Last time I did the hole very small, so the cake mix got out so slow, very slow. This time I'm gonna cut out a big hole. Well, that was quick. Now I'm gonna stir the mixture now. It said, the box said to mix very fast for 2 minutes. Got the cupcake mix ready, and I got the cup mold, and I got pan for it. If you have a non-stick pan, you don't have to grease it, but if you don't have a non-stick pan, you have to grease it. So I have so you have to heat the oven for 350 degrees, and now I have to put the batter in the cupcakes. Oh, and also you have to put a tablespoon for each cupcake mold. These tablespoons for each cupcake mold. Okay, I'm gonna pour the 3 tablespoons in. I have to pour 3 tablespoons for 1 mold. Still putting it in. I'm on my 4th one. Two more cake molds to go. Last one done. Okay, now the cupcakes are ready. It's time for the cupcakes to go to the beach. and I'll meet you after the cupcakes are ready. Okay, now the cupcakes are in the oven. I didn't say how long you should put it in, but every once in a while put a toothpick or fork in it. If it comes out clean, that means it's done. We'll check it in 10 minutes. By then we'll get the frosting ready. Now we have to I put some milk to like thin the frosting out. Put a teaspoon of milk to thin the frosting out. This is gonna take forever. Now we have to mix it. I put in some milk. It's somehow becoming white now. I got some frosting on my hands and on my wrist. I think that is enough. Just eat the frosting. That is enough now. And now we have to put the frosting in the piping bag. And I took the I took the cupcakes out of the oven and it's been there for 15 minutes. Now we have to check if it's done. Yeah, it's done. It comes out clean, that means it's done. So now we have to put the frosting on it. I'm going to put the frosting on the cupcakes. You can do whatever style you want. And the tape broke out again. This is going to take forever. I'm on my third one. I'm going to do dots now. Okay, I put the frosting on the cupcakes. Yeah, and this took 15 minutes. And another point is make sure the cupcake or cake cools for 10 minutes and then put the frosting on, because if you put the frosting on, it'll melt and you don't want that. And we also had some batter left, so we made a cake out of that. My dad has ate one cupcake, so I have to finish this video before he eats every single cupcake plus the cake. So bye. I hope you like my video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.